Oh, and Bonnie, you really do have a good hair day every day. Now, beauty may be in the eye of the beholder, but a symmetrical face is usually a big help. We're back with your Beauty 101 guide, and this week it's all about the nose, lips, and chin. Last week we saw how the Brad Pitt jawline treatment can treat a seamlessly sculpted jawline for that perfect 5 o'clock shadow. And today, aesthetics wonder Dr. Anushka shows us how a symmetrical feature can bring out more of your inner beauty. Many people gripe about not having the perfect nose, lips, or chin without knowing the importance of face proportions or ratios. Symmetry is a science, one that can often determine what some people deem beauty and others the truly balanced face. Dr. Anushka Reddy is someone who fully understands and appreciates the science of symmetry. And with her vast selection of non-surgical treatments available, you too can master the battle for proportional perfection.
My name's Lynn. I'm trying to start a new chapter in my life. I'd like Dr. Reddy to work on the bottom part of my face. I think this part of my face makes me look much older than I really am.
The lower part of the face plays a vital role in how attractive a face looks. So I use a ratio, it's called the divine proportion. Leonardo da Vinci actually used it when he conceptualized the Vitruvian Man. And we use that specific ratio, which is 1.618, to actually measure specific areas in the face. So when we talk about the ratio between the nose and the lower part of the face, today's patient, we're going to try and ensure that she falls within that ratio.
The results I'm actually looking for is the contour on my lips, and making it look much more luscious and obviously a younger look.
Lynn, I've just looked at the ratio of your nose compared to the lower half of your face, and I feel that we just need to narrow the nose a little bit, and I'm going to be using tissue fillers to actually get this nice difference in terms of the ratio of your nose to your eyes. So I'm going to use a product that contains hyaluronic acid. We have used it in you before. As you know, there may be a little bit of swelling, but that's normal, it will settle. The nose is a very technical area to inject. It has lots of blood vessels which are linked directly to the eye. So one needs to be very careful when injecting this, because it's a watershed area for blindness. So these type of treatments need to be done by a very experienced provider. Lynn's main area of concern today are her lips. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to use tissue fillers to actually add volume and contour her lips, and hopefully that will change the way her face appears, and hopefully that will make her feel better about herself. With regards to your chin, I'm happy with the height of your chin. It's just the front projection. I think we need to add a little bit of filler in there, not too much, just to give it a little bit of depth.
I think she will make my cosmetic desire and dreams come true.
I think you're going to be pretty impressed about this result. So you ready for the big reveal?
Yes.
Okay, great stuff. Here you go.
A bit different.
Today's treatment was exceptional. I think Lynn is going to be very happy with the outcome. I quite liked the way her results turned out. As you can see, Lynn has thin lips, so it's very difficult to actually create full lips in a thin person. The idea would be to just gently increase the width of her lips and the volume. So after seeing her today, I'll probably see her in 2 weeks' time, and then if she needs a little bit more volume, we would then do it at that point. Her nose was absolutely fine. I added a little bit of volume in her chin, just for a little bit of projection. The length was, as you could see when we measured it, it looked perfectly fine. So yes, I think we're pretty happy with what has turned out today. There we go.
Thank you. What I got is magic, and that's all thanks to Dr. Reddy.
Okay, I do love a good before and after.
Yeah.
It's my favorite thing, like when you see the before, after. But what do you think of the results?
I think the results are amazing. I'm happy for her that she did say she wants to start a new chapter in her life. But this reminds me of when I was growing up, and in the hood, people would say, you suffer for beauty.
You do?
Yeah, that's suffering.
It's not about the process, it's
Suffering.
about the result. I think she looks absolutely fantastic. Next week,
does.
we find out how restoring volume in your face can treat medical conditions, as well as offer a healthier looking you. Make sure you tune in for your weekly dose of beauty with a purpose, and follow Dr. Anushka Reddy on Instagram for the latest updates in the aesthetic treatments. After the break, we're going to be in the kitchen making some delicious haddock enchiladas, courtesy of Afternoon Express viewer Janine Dunnett.